quick too, 142k, right on the money. Not much you can do about that. Everyone wonders, where do you bowl? It's right on the crease.
Anderson, who knows that he's been undone by another perler of a delivery. India.
Oh, goodness. There's been some terrific batting from New Zealand, but this is also a bowling clinic.
This time, click it. I beg your pardon, the 7th wicket falling for the Sri Lanka.
Too good for Pope, now too good for Bairstow. This game turned on its head after lunch.
The last ball, can you believe it? A big slow ball, the last ball before lunch. The short cover came in.
Start of the test.
Far, Livingston has got across to his off stump the fact that he's been bowled behind his legs.
Pereira goes. Manidu Hasaranga showing his next.
Wonder what's coming next with jasprit Bumrah, and he's knocked over someone who's played 55 balls.